Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you a new VPN app which will help you to secure your connection at the extra of security when you are online. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers or subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. And on this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection at the extra of security when you are online. So the app is on Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And when you reach here, you search for AC Tunnel VPN. You search for AC Tunnel VPN. The app is already here. So this is how it looks. Make sure to install the right app. Take note of the app name. Take note of the app icon, and after that install this app on your device. This app will help you to secure your connection at the extra of security when you are using the internet. So after that you open the app, and when you open the app it will take you to its home screen. So in case you are new on this channel and you have not yet subscribed on this channel, use this time to like, share and subscribe on this channel so you won't miss any of our future coming content. So when you reach in the app interface, you will be required to set it up. First of all, you will be required to tap on the 4 buttons or the dots, just like that. Then you click on online update. So this is done to update the app resources so that they can work as they provide you with the best service and newly configured settings. So after updating the app resources, you are required to pick a server. So you tap right here, and among the presented servers you can choose one you prefer. And for today's video I recommend you to pick the auto server, because it helps you to pick the best performing server in your region, or else you can pick from any of the presented. So for today's guide, let's choose the auto server, and after that you are required to pick a connection method. And for today's video we are gonna choose the all country UDP as our connection method. But in case UDP is not working in your country, you can tap right here, and when you tap right here, a list of countries will be revealed to you. So among the presented countries, you can pick your country name, or in the search bar you can simply type here your country name and then you choose your country. So for today's video we are gonna use the all countries UDP. This is because UDP is super fast and secure when you are online. And lastly, to ensure a super fast and a secure connection with extra protection when you are online, you are required to tap on this start button. And when you tap on the start button, you can see that the app right away connects, and right now your connection is now secured. And that's how we set up AC Tunnel VPN with all country UDP fast settings to get a super fast and a stable connection, extra protection when we are online. Please like this video, share this video to your friend, subscribe on this channel so you won't miss any of our future content, and let's meet in the next video.